good morning. How are you? So today, welcome back, okay? So today we will see first about numbers, okay? Okay, sing with me, okay? Okay, ready? 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 2, 4, 3 and 3, and 6 for me. 4 and 4, 8, 5 and 5, 10 little fingers of my own. Again. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 2, 4, 3 and 3, and 6 for me. 4 and 4, 8, 5 and 5, 10 little fingers of my own. Very good. So today, let us see first the number here, okay? First, let us see the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Now, we will, I will give you the number before and after. Yani before, but then after. Okay? So, let's see here. Look at here. So, this is number 7. See, number before. Yani number before. Before number 7. Okay? So, number before number 7 is what? So, which is number 7 here? This one, number 7. So, before number 7 is
6.
6. Yani before. Not after. Before. Okay. So, before number 7 is number
6.
6. Okay. Now, this one number 4. So, before number 4, what number before number 4? It is 3. And then before number 2, before number 2 is
1.
1. Before number 3 is
2.
2. Before number 5 is 4. And before number 11 is
10.
number 10. Okay. So that is before. Before. Now we will go to after. Okay? After. Okay.
6.
So after 6 is 7. Next to 6 is
7.
7. And next to 10, after 10,
11.
11. Very good. 11. So after 2 is number 3. And after number 3 is number 4. And after number, this one, 1. After number 1, 2. Then after number, this is what number? 9. So after number 9, 8, 9,
10.
10. Okay, so that is after. Okay, this one before and this one after. Okay, now here number before and after. Yani before and after. Okay, so this is number, what number it is? See what number it is?